What's up, YouTube? So I'm installing some handles on this cabinet. These are hickory cabinet. I'm in a cabin in the mountains, and this template is normally my go-to. I love it. It got multiple holes on it. It got different size of handles you can use. So once I find my handles, and normally what I do is mark where I'm gonna drill my hole. Normally I put a painter's tape on it, but in this case I didn't have any painter's tape, so I had to double check and triple check because I cannot mess up. I cannot drill in the wrong location, so I double check, triple check, and just make sure I'm in the right spot. But this is my go-to. I love it. It's simple, it's cheap, it's easy. A friend of mine stopped by and said, hey, I got this jig I want you to try out. So they gave me the jig, and I trying to figure it out. The jig is right here. I'm trying to figure it out. I feel like it took forever for me to try to figure out where I want this jig to be so I can mark my hardware. And it was so irritated and so frustrated. If you guys use something like this, let me know what's the easier way to use it, what's the best way. So I end up using my tape measure more. So I put the jig aside and just went with the tape measure to try to finish the job. Let me know what is your go-to jig or your ways of installing cabinet hardware. I love my template. It works for me. But anything that's go better and faster, I would like it. So let me know what you guys think.